Today we are going to look at how to deactivate your Instagram account. It's going to be a quick one. So first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram account. Now click on the three horizontal line on the top right corner. Now click into settings to view more. Here you have to scroll up into account. Now scroll up into delete account. It says deactivating your account is temporary. Your picture, photo, comments and likes will be hidden until you enable it by logging back in. Now to delete account, says deleting your account is permanent. Your picture, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently deleted. So whichever suits your preference at the time, you can go ahead to click on it. It's going to load up for you to fill in more information. I have to fill in why I'm deactivating my account and continue by tapping on temporary delete account. That's a very easy way to go about deactivating your Instagram account. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below, and if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more useful content and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future tutorials and tips. Thank you guys for watching.